students. So did you add your snack time? Now are you ready for our next lesson? Let's start our next lesson. Our next lesson will be mathematics. The objectives of today's lesson is to state the sum of two sets of objects and also to count objects. Now let's take out our textbook for mathematics and turn to page number 16. Today we are going to do page number 16 and 17. Don't forget to grab your pencil and eraser with you. Page 16. Now let's write today's day, Monday, and also today's date, 6 September 2021. The title, In Town Unit 3, Addition Within 50. Add. So the instruction says add. So we can see there are so many addition questions there. So let's begin with the first one. 38 plus 11 equals to, teacher hope that you can do this because we have learned many times about additions. Okay, but this time will be addition within 50. So we have to do the ones first. So the ones here will be 8 and 1. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Very good. And then we have to continue with the tens. 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So the answer will be 4. 38 plus 11 is equals to 49. Very good. Now let's move on to the next one. 36 plus 10. 36 plus 10 is equals to, let's find out. Let's start with the ones first. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. It means we open 6 fingers and then plus 0 means nothing there. So the total will be 6. So make sure you write 6 on the ones place. Very good. So let's move on with the tens. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So 36 plus 10 will be 46. Very good, students. Now let's move on to 23 plus 21. So let's begin with the ones. 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 3 plus 1 is 4. Let's move on with the tens. 2 plus 2. Can you find out what is 2 plus 2? Yes, 2 plus 2 is also 4. So 23 plus 21 equals to 44. The next one, 26 plus 22. Very good. Let's count the 6 plus 2, the ones first. 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's move on to 2 plus 2. Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. So 26 plus 22 is 48. Now let's continue with the next one. 19 plus 30. Can you do that? So which one should we do first? Yes, we should do the ones first. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. Very good. Let's move on to the tens. 1 plus 3. Yes, 1 plus 3 is 4. So 19 plus 30 is equals to 49. 18 plus 21. 18 plus 21. Very good. Now let's start with the ones first. So here the ones is 8 and 1. So let's plus 8 plus 1. Yes, 8 plus 1 is 9. Let's move on with tens. 1 plus 2. Very good. 1 plus 2 is 3. So, 18 plus 21 is equals to 39. Very good. Now, 20 plus 21. 20 plus 21. Let's start with the ones. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. How about 2 plus 2? Yes, 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. So 20 plus 21 is equals to 41. Now let's see the next one. 41 plus 3. 41 plus 3. So the ones here is 1 and 3. 1 plus 3. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4. Now what about the tens? 4 plus nothing there. Because we have only 3 and the 3 will be the ones. So 4 plus nothing. Same to 4 plus 0. So what will it be? Yes, 4 and nothing or 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. So 41 plus 3 will be 44. Very good. So can you see that students? Teacher have helped you to answer 8 equations. Now there are 6 more equations. Can you do that for yourself? So can you see there are 3 sets of questions. So total will be 6 equations. So can you do that by yourself, students? Very good. Now let's move on to page 17. Now let's read the instruction. Add. So let's start with the first one. 35 plus 14. So let's start with the ones. 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So let's write 9. And then the tens. 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So 35 plus 14 will be 49. The next one. 29 plus 20. So the ones first. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 will be 9. And the tens. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. Very good. So now let's move on to 25 plus 21. So again with the ones. Remember, every time we start with the ones. So the ones on the right hand side. So 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 will be 6. And then we continue with the tens. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. Very good. So that means 25 plus 21 is equals to 46. So can you see here? Teacher have guided you to answer 3 questions. Okay? And then there are 9 more questions. So we have come along with so many addition questions. So let's do this also. Okay? So this will be like a revision for you. Can you do this, students? Very good. So that's all for today mathematics lesson. Thank you so much.